he said, this is what Jesus did. Please follow me. He said, Jesus came. The Spirit of the Lord is upon me. The first thing he did was he came and he gently smoothing the ashes out of his ears. Next slide, please. And the next thing he did, please can you stand up? He removed sackcloth. It's not by power, it's not by might, but by my spirit, said the Lord. What the third thing he did? He anointed his head with oil. Now, that is all the picture in what we read, and I'm going to clarify it. No, that's right, I'm not going to anoint you. So he anointed his head with oil. And what was the next thing he did? You remember he's removed his sackcloth. The next thing he did, and the next thing he did. Now, there's something you don't usually know. You know, he said beauty for ashes. But actually the beauty there is not beauty powder. It's a tiara. So what Jesus did is, after he's removed the ashes, he combed his hairs. And Jesus So the word there, beauty, is talking about the crown. Beauty for ashes. And this is exactly what Jesus did in his death, burial, and resurrection. Him who knew no sin became sin for you, so that you through him will become the righteousness of God. I was crucified with Christ. It is no longer I that live, but Christ that lives in me. If any man be in Christ, is a new creature. All things are passed away. All things are become new. Please stand up with me, we must pray. I will call senior pastor to come and round up this for me. We will have to pray. We will have to pray. Please come.